Big disclaimer, if you want to do this to UEFN, then you cannot go back to Creative 1.0. Keep that in mind before doing this. Once you open your UEFN, you will see the bunch of projects you have been working on. So I have been working on lots of projects recently. I don't want to get it leaked. I am just showing you my already published name by searching it here. So it's showing only the filtered result. This is my published map named Bush John Wars. You can search it with the map code here. So this is actually Creative 1.0 map. You can tell it by here. As you can see near the mouse pointer, first thing you will notice that you cannot name your project with spaces. So like you can do it Creative 1.0, you could give spaces, but here you can give spaces. So you will have to change your name accordingly. But it's just a project name, and you can publish with spaces while publishing. So don't worry about that. And right here it will show you convert. So it will show you bunch of like this message that it is very important. Once you do this, there is no going back. You can't edit your project in you can't edit your project in Fortnite Creative 1.0. From now on, if you have to do the updates, you will have to do it right from UEFN. So make sure you are really sure about if you want to do this or not. Okay, it says that player data associated with following device will not transfer, save point will not transfer, timer will not transfer, tracker will not transfer, and switch will not transfer. So you have to keep in mind, you can cancel here before, if you don't agree, then you can cancel. But I am going to convert to UEFN because I need to make a major update. So also I have to make tutorial, so I have to take my shot, convert. Okay, it will create new project. You just have to wait. It will take lot of time. Like if you have a large map, then it will take longer. Since I didn't have that much large map, it was like medium size, so it should take like less than 5 minutes. It's already on 5 by 5 stage, so it will take like 1 or 2 minutes, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, my island has been successfully imported here. Now I can edit it in UEFN. See, all of my, I had to do this because all of my, like the devices you can see here, right? The boost I have placed. This is the main theme of my map. And in Creative 1.0, when I tried to update it, it wasn't even showing. So that's why I had to do this. And I will modify and make another changes. And like it will be easier from here, I guess, because I have been learning UEFN for more than like 6 months. So it will be easier for me, I guess. Anyway, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Big disclaimer, if you want to do this to UEFN, then you cannot go back to Creative 1.0. Keep that in mind before doing this.